Do you use the Yellow Pages? You know, the big, thick, yellow book that gets delivered to your home or office every year? The Yellow Pages group delivers 23 million directories across Canada each year. My next guest, Ame Davidson, founder of the Yellow Page Mountain Initiative, turned the tables on the Yellow Pages. She delivered her Yellow Pages back to the Yellow Pages group, took a video of it, and it went viral. Ame, good morning. Welcome.
Good morning.
What is the Yellow Page Mountain Initiative?
Basically, it's something that I created after coming home to a big pile of unwanted phone directories sitting in front of my front door, which is aiming to educate Canadians on how to opt out of receiving the printed Yellow Pages.
I'm surprised they still deliver them, at least in the numbers that they do, because most people I know don't use them anymore.
No, and currently the article that's now live on the Globe and Mail, it looks like 53% of Canadians who answered their poll do absolutely never use the Yellow Pages. So
those would be people who got used to getting that information online.
Exactly, via Google, and now we even have applications like Foursquare, which are calling into question even further the printed Yellow Pages.
So what kind of response did you get from the Yellow Pages?
They've been fairly neutral. I mean, they did grant us an interview. They knew that we were coming 4 days in advance. They can do nothing now but just kind of respond to everyone's feedback.
Didn't they produce an opt-out system?
Yeah, apparently that's been in place for a while. I just realized this morning, printed on the front of at least the Yellow Pages in Montreal, it says, to order a residential directory, call this number or visit ypg.com/delivery. And when I opted out a couple weeks ago, I think what it had said was to customize your delivery options, do this, and now it actually says on that landing page to opt out of delivery, follow these steps. And when you do fill out the form, you can only opt out actually for 2 years, unfortunately.
Really?
Yep.
Doesn't Yellow Pages rely to a large degree on advertising?
Well, yeah, that's why they continue to print them. They charge businesses a rate based on the scope of their distribution, and they have very aggressive sales reps from what I've heard. I tell one of the anecdotes of a sales rep actually telling someone allegedly that it would affect their search ranking in Google if they stopped listing their business in the Yellow Pages, which is just not true. So yes, that's the majority of the revenue from what I can tell. At least 70% is still coming from the printed directory. So there's no economic incentive for them to stop.
Most of us getting home and finding a directory on our driveway or on our front step, just get rid of it. What motivated you to become so proactive in this?
Well, I really enjoy internet projects. I've been doing different web series for a while. The first thing I had done via my Twitter, which is 100 Jobs, is I actually sent out a tweet after seeing all these directories piled up in front of my front door where I broke up with the Yellow Pages. And about 2 people retweeted it, and so I knew I was kind of onto something. So then I sent a call out a couple days later via Twitter saying, hey, does anybody want to make a mountain out of all of these? Because I had driven by this abandoned scrapyard and had thought, oh my gosh, there must be thousands and thousands of these that no one wants. And can you imagine if someone were to build like an epic mountain of these? And I just kind of ran with it. I've run with other projects online. Like I said, 100 Jobs, or right now actually I'm doing 100 jobs for $100 minimum each. So if anybody's curious, they can go to 100jobs.ca. And I kind of get the internet. I'm so pro-internet. I'm very pro-new media. So this is kind of sort of in a way representative of the current hegemony of the internet, I'd say, on a much larger scale.
Very interesting. Ame, good to talk to you. Thanks for
you.
doing this. Ame Davidson, founder of the Yellow Page Mountain Initiative. I'm going to ask you, do you still use Yellow Pages? Do you still use a phone book? Or do you go online for all this information? Do you still want to have Yellow Pages and phone books delivered to your home every year? 604-280-9898. And while we load up the phones and see if there's interest in this topic, I'm also going to go to Dennis Pilon, the political science professor at the University of Victoria. Your reaction, Dennis, for the is he on the line?